Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Bring your palms together to touch. And on your exhale, take a side body stretch over to your right. Inhale back through center. Side body stretch over to your left, sending your hip over to the right center. And take a moment going back and forth, tick-tocking your hips, opposite way of your fingertips, back and forth. Reaching, taking a larger length throughout your spine as you go through the middle. And on this next breath, take an inhale and exhale. Take a back bend, sweeping and gazing long behind you, shooting your hips further forward in front of you. And on your exhale, go ahead and pivot your right foot away from your body, left foot in line with your hip. One more inhale for triangle pose. Send your left fingertips up towards the sky. And exhale. Inhale, sweep your right arm overhead and high five behind you for reverse triangle. And on your exhale, pivot over to your left side. This time, left toes point out away from you. Right arm, inhale, sweep up tall. On your exhale, arms come out wide like a T for warrior two. Take a bend into your left knee over your left ankle. Start to send your gaze over your left middle fingertips. And take one more inhale, sweep your arms through center, reach up wide like an X for star pose. And on your exhale, bring your hands to heart center. Big bend into both knees for your goddess pose. A deep squat. Take an inhale. On your exhale, shift your left shoulder towards the center for a spinal twist. Inhale back through center. On your exhale, right shoulder comes through center. And inhale, bring your hands down to your mat or to the ground. Hands to your shins or thighs, halfway lift. Exhale, release your head back down, forward fold. Stay right here and find any extra movement that feels good. Inhale again, circle, sweep your arms overhead. This time, clasp all your fingers together once more. Index finger out, side body stretch. Take an inhale. To your left and to your right. Take an inhale. On your exhale, swan dive over your thighs. Hands come down to your mat, forward fold. And on your next inhale, step your left foot to the back of your mat at a 45-degree angle. Arms sweep up overhead, palms touch again. Warrior one. On your exhale, sweep your chest over your thighs for your humble warrior. Arms outreached behind you. Airplane arms. Palms face towards the earth. On your next inhale, sweep your arms overhead, hovering your biceps over your ears. And exhale, pivot back to the left side of your mat, warrior two. Big bend into your left knee. And inhale, sweep your arms overhead, warrior one. On your exhale, hinge at your waist, humble warrior. And inhale, your arms sweep overhead. To strengthen your shoulders, and on your exhale, hands come back down to the earth and release your head and your neck, making your way to pyramid pose. From your pyramid pose, take a halfway lift, find the flat back. And on your exhale, start to walk your hands over to the right side of your mat. Hands are framing your right foot. Take an inhale. On your exhale, release your head and neck. And then start to walk your hands back through center. Take an inhale, hands to your shins, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, circle, sweep your arms up tall. Hands come back to your heart center. Thank you.